What is up, everybody? This is me, Mano. Welcome back to another new vlog 75. Yes, you guys, so today's new vlog, guys, I'm going to be going to a day at the Wild Rivers Waterpark I'm going to. And guys, there's going to be like a lot of rides I'm going to. And guys, there's going to be the part 2 Waterpark I'm going to. And sorry guys, I couldn't upload like the China vlog because like some scenes like are not part of it. And like I couldn't make it. Yeah, so get ready for another new vlog for Wild Rivers Waterpark for vlog 75. Yeah, and alright, let's go. And sorry guys, I couldn't upload like a video in like maybe like around like 6 months. I haven't uploaded. Sorry guys about that. And yeah, alright, let's go and have some fun. Alright, I'll see you guys at the Waterpark. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, welcome back here. So guys, right now I'm at the Wild Rivers Waterpark right now, and this is gonna be the part 2. And guys, some rides I didn't go and some rides I already went. And yeah, so there's so many rides to do. And yeah, look, I didn't see already here. Let's go take this camera inside the water rides. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, first ride we have is Bombay Blasters. Alright, let's go. Alright.
Mostra o teu poder, desliza no beat, faz acontecer. O mundo gira ao teu redor. Com esse swing, tu é maior. Mexe, remexe sem parar.
Alright guys, the second one is Mano. Second slide. Alright, let's go. Alright.
Já vai te levar, juntando todo mundo a dançar. É um baile que nunca vai acabar.
Alright guys, next ride is look, Tomcat Racers. This one that I went last time. Yeah, so alright, this is gonna be the third one, the third slide. Alright, you can see, I don't know which color I'm gonna go to, but any color is fine. Alright, let's go. Alright, next one. Let's go.
Running back again. I see you changing. I still feel you. I still feel
Alright guys, welcome back here. So guys, unfortunately they don't have Bombs Away. I thought they had Bombs Away, but I think it's in like a different water park they have. Alright, so we're gonna go to the different water slide. Yeah, and so maybe I think this one. I think I already did this, like the blue one or the orange one. Yeah, the orange one. Guys, look at that one, long line. Alright, let's go. Alright. This one is Bora Boomerang. I already went before, guys. See, just like last time. And guys, this is part 2 Wild Rivers Waterpark. And yeah, alright. Yeah, look at that long line, guys. Look. Alright, let's go. Actually guys, let's just go on the Tiki's event. Alright, let's go. It's right there guys, this is the ride. Let's go.
letting go.
so now we're going to Typhoon one, the orange one, or Tortuga, the right here, the blue one, or this one actually. So yeah, so I think let's go to this one. And guys, we've been on six slides already, so this is the 7th ride. Let's just go to, so this one is, let's go this one, Typhoon. All right, let's go.
Keep running back to me, running back again. I see you changing, I still feel you, I still feel
Alright guys, I think I'm done for the day. I think I already went all of the rides. Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. Alright, bye. Alright guys, welcome back here. So guys, I just got home from the Wild Rivers Waterpark. Yeah, and guys, it was like so much fun going to the Wild Rivers. And guys, I only went on like maybe like 8 rides I went. And that was all the rides because I already went like all of the rides I went. Yeah, so guys, I think I'm just gonna like end the vlog over here. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe if you're there, and I'll see you guys in another new vlog called Norway vlog. Is gonna be coming up soon, so stay tuned. And also guys, sorry guys, I haven't been uploading in like 6 months. I was like busy, so I just like couldn't upload it. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in another new vlog, 76 for Norway vlog. Alright, coming soon. Alright, let's go. Alright, bye.